it is now 6 o'clock in the morning and we are going on a long road trip to get a new car for myself. I am actually quite jealous of you right now because I have probably shown you a clip of my new car already and I assume that I'm quite stoked. But I have no clue now what we are going to expect. I have no idea. But I think this will be quite fun. So it's a BMW, but yeah, I'm excited. But now it's time to travel across the country and this will be a day with I think 12 or 13 hours of traveling. So yeah, it'll be a long day. Ready, boy?
Oh shit, no, I'm not. Yeah.
Yes.
This is why it's no problem for Farah to go anywhere because I'm driving.
Yeah, cameraman and driver.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the stick, bro.
It's a new stick. We are getting closer to Stavanger.
I'm not ready for this.
Okay, take two. We are now getting closer to Stavanger. We are 2 hours. Yeah,
I don't know.
it's 2 hours left. We have been driving for 4 hours or something. It's all raining still, so that sucks. And now the cameraman Truls will drive. Yeah, we both were out last night, so we're not in the best shape. But the car is in its best shape it has ever been. Oh, it's working really nice. We just had a long road trip with it to get him a car. He bought himself an E21. So maybe
And it works!
And it works! Yeah, it works. This time it works. Yeah, he bought another one that did not work. So now he bought one that works and we drove this for 10 hours in one day. So yeah, I think 12-13 hours today will also work.
Don't jinx it, bro.
Yeah, really excited about the new car. But yeah, let's go!
Let's get.
Yes! His first drift.
This is not the first because I'm professional.
Oh! Yeah! Not welded diff though. I don't know, enough. We don't have to ruin the tires.
Oh, that's really good.
We are still going 7 hours home, so burns rubber. Burned rubber. Woo! Oh my god.
Where's the sport button?
Sport button?
Where?
It's in third gear.
Oh, okay. Sport button!
23 minutes and then we are there.
That will be nice.
Yeah, I am excited. Hopefully the car is not as shitty as I'm expecting. Hopefully it'll be a little bit better, but I don't know. It'll be nice with a new car. Oh my god! Oh yeah. The new whip. We will have to inspect this and we'll come back to you in 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Nei! Åh, god! Kødder du?
Idiot alarm.
Oh yeah, we got a new car on the channel. Meet my E34 525 with a turbo actually. That's pretty cool. It's actually, yeah, it's not looking too good, but that doesn't matter. I mean, this is me going really back to the roots. I mean, this is how the channel started, with a crappy E34 525. So I am really excited to get back at it with this, and then I can start doing the shitty modifications that I like to do. And this is the party piece right here. Look at that. It got a turbo. I mean, this is cool to have an E34, to see that BMW emblem right there, and then a turbo. This is insane. I like this. It has actually 280 horsepower at the wheels, and it got Link G3 ECU, so it's actually pulling really good and it's running healthy, and yeah, it's running good. I like it. Really cool to experience a M50B25 with a turbo. It's pretty cool. You like it?
Well, just gonna say it for the record, the last BMWs that was fun just got wrecked, so guys, 2 weeks and this shit.
No, not 2 weeks. This will last maybe 3 weeks, 4 weeks. No, this will hopefully last longer. Hopefully I will use this on track days and stuff like that, and I think this will be a lot of fun. Maybe I can build this into a track car later on, but for now it actually has plates and it's actually road legal for 2 more years, so that's pretty nice. Yeah. And so that's pretty nice, and seriously, we are still in Stavanger in Norway, so it's time to get home. It's still a 7-hour drive or something, so it's quite long, but I think it just will be enjoyable in this car. I mean, an E34. I like an E34. But now it's time to get home. The owner did say that this has some kind of 2-step. I don't know if that is true, but I mean, I guess we could try. Nice! That was a cool sound. Let us feel the turbo power. Woo! Oh my god.
Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best.
It feels really good to be behind the wheel of an E34 again. Oh my god. And especially a 525. And again, especially with a turbo mounted on it. I mean, it would be kind of cool to get an E34 M5, but I think seriously that this is a cooler project because M5 is so final. So for me right now, I think that an E34 is just perfect. Just perfect. And finally, a MTEC2 steering wheel. Again, I don't know if I will swap this with my blue steering wheel. I have that blue, no, I got that gold hub as well for E34s. So maybe I will swap to that, I don't know. A little pit stop and look at this view. And I'm not talking about the car. Look at this. Norway is so beautiful. Look at this. I do like the, what is it called? The western part of the country?
There you say, man.
Yeah. Yeah, the southwest part of the country. I have been a lot on the upper part of Vestlandet, but not on the more lower part, which is, what did I say? Southwest. The Stavanger area and stuff like that. This is beautiful. We did just talk about doing a burnout right here. It will be beautiful scenery with a lovely E34, smoke, turbo, the view and everything, but if we break an axle right here in the middle of nowhere, yeah, we will just ruin our day. Yeah, we can't. We are grown-ups now, we cannot do it. Yeah, we are grown-ups now. We're taking responsible decisions.
Okay, that's why he bought this shit box.
Yeah, responsible decisions. Look at the 90s brought together with an E34 from 1990 and an E36 from 93. This is harmony in my eyes. And I now own both of these cars. Woo! I like that. This trip is just getting better and better. The weather is really starting to get a lot better. So now we are ready to just enjoy our day with hours and hours of driving with a 325 regular car and a turbo! We did get a lot of wheels for the car as well. It do have some dents around. I will make a video about that later or whatever. And as you see, got some orange turn signals in the back. Looks alright. I got some white one as well. I don't know if I would change them, but yeah. I have really missed the back end of an E34. I like E36 as well, but an E34, so good. This is my fourth E34 actually. And the wheels are some kind of AC Schnitzel replica wheels. I think those look kind of cool. And it's actually lowered as well. That's really nice. But it's time to move on with the trip.
Everything about you is so beautiful. I am all yours if you let me stay. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no another. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side.
We are finally home after a long journey. I think the clock now is 10 and I have driven my friend home for the day, and we actually left at 6 in the morning today and now it's 10 o'clock, so that means 16 hours on the road actually. So that's a long journey, but it is so totally worth it. Now I do own a E34 again, and I love that. Seriously, I know I said to you in previous videos that I will own an E34 again, and now it's here. So I am really happy about this car. As you can probably tell, it is not the best looking E34 in the world, but I think this will give me a lot of fun, and I really like it already after the long drive. So now I feel like I've gotten to know it a little bit, but I will give you a more detailed video about this later on and showing you how it is and how it looks and the specs and everything. So and everything that's also broken and wrong with it, because there's a lot wrong with it. So yeah, you will get some more detailed videos in the future. If there are any specific videos you want to see with this 525 Turbo, let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you are as excited as I am on this car, because E34, like I said earlier also, E34 is the essence of my YouTube channel. This is where it all began. I began with an E34 525, a black one. That was when I first started like FahreFilms. So because I had my YouTube channel is actually from 2010, but I didn't start actually and renamed it. I renamed it in 2000, I think it was 17 or 2016, and then I bought a 525 and I thought, okay, this is the start of FahreFilms. So back to the roots with an not E36, sorry, an E34. I've had way too many E36s lately. But yeah, back to the roots with E34 again, and I am over the moon excited, or over the top, or whatever. I'm very, very excited. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this episode. If you stayed till the end, you're a trooper and I like you a lot. I will see you also in the next episode maybe. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe with notifications so you don't miss a video, and I hope you like my 525 Turbo. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.